dear student, fifth one problem you solve in homework. Okay. Next I am taking here sixth one problem. Dear student, next I am taking here exercise 3.3 sixth one question. Take the data giving the minimum and the maximum temperature of various cities given in the beginning of this chapter. Table 3.1. Plot a double bar graph using the data and the answer the following. Okay, here we have one data table already given in 3.1. So we have to find out here minimum and maximum temperature of various cities. Okay, in table 3.1 already given. Okay, we have to draw here double bar graph using the data. We have to answer these following questions. Okay, let us see table 3.1. Okay, this is the table 3.1. Here given here temperatures of cities. Okay, here temperature of the cities given here city. These are the cities and maximum temperature here. These are the maximum temperature and these are the minimum temperature in table 3.1. Dear student, let us see questions here. First question, which city has the largest difference in the minimum and maximum temperature on the given date? Okay, we have to find out here which city is the largest difference in the minimum and maximum temperature. We have to find out here. Okay, let us move on graph. See, dear friend, these are the cities. This is the horizontal line. I am taking here cities. Next, see here, these are the cities: Ahmedabad, Amritsar, Bangalore, Chennai, Delhi, Jaipur, Jammu, Mumbai. Okay, this is the horizontal line. Here we have to draw here maximum and minimum temperature. This is the maximum, this is the minimum temperature. Okay. And here 1 centimeter I gave here space in between these cities. Okay, this is the vertical line temperature I am taken here. I am taking here 0 to 50. Okay, we have to draw here in between 0 to 50. For 1 centimeter I am taking here 10 degrees Celsius. You see here which is the minimum, which is the maximum temperature in this table. Okay, I am taking here, so I am taking here 1 centimeter 10 degrees Celsius. See scale, I took here 1 centimeter is equal to 10 degree Celsius. These are 1 centimeter. From here to here, I took here in between 0 to 50 degrees Celsius. Okay, scale 1 unit is equal to 10 degree Celsius. From here to here, total we have 10 millimeter. Okay. Dear student, next maximum temperature we have to shade here and minimum temperature you don't shade. This is the minimum temperature, this is the maximum temperature. Let's see first city Ahmedabad. Ahmedabad maximum temperature 38 degrees Celsius and minimum temperature 29 degrees Celsius. See first one maximum temperature 38 degrees Celsius. See this bar graph here. See here I am taking your maximum temperature. Now you see your maximum temperature 38 degree. This is the 10, 20, 30. This is 40. Okay, we have to find out here 38. This is the 38 degree Celsius. You mark here. Okay, after that, and let's see minimum temperature is 29. See 29 degrees Celsius minimum 10, 20. This is the 30. This is the 29 degrees Celsius, and this is also you mark here. Next, you join these two lines by using scale. Okay, you join here and this one line and this one line you join and you shade here maximum temperature. Okay, you shade here in maximum temperature. Dear student, in examination you shade neatly this maximum temperature. Okay, next you see here second city, Amritsar. See, Amritsar here maximum temperature 37 degrees Celsius. Now count here 37 degrees Celsius. This is the 30, and we have to find out here 37. This is the 35. From here to here 35. This is the 37 degrees Celsius. You mark by pencil here. Okay, next you see here minimum temperature 26 degrees Celsius. This is the 10, 20, 25. This is the 26 degree Celsius. Okay, you join by using scale these two bar. Okay, and you shade here maximum temperature by using a pencil. You shade neatly maximum. Next, Bangalore. See, Bangalore, we have here 28 degrees Celsius maximum temperature. See here, this is the 10, this is the 20, this is the 25. Okay, here we have 28 degrees Celsius. This is the maximum temperature in Bangalore. Next, minimum temperature 21. 10, 20, 21. This is the 21 degrees Celsius minimum temperature. You join these two bar by using scale. You join these lines and you shade here maximum temperature. Okay, you shade here neatly maximum. Next, Chennai. Chennai 36 degrees Celsius maximum temperature. See here, from year to year 10, 20, 30, 35. Here one line you take 36 degrees Celsius. Next you see here minimum temperature 27 degrees Celsius. Count here 10, 20, 25. Okay, here 27 degrees Celsius you mark by pencil and you join these two bar by using scale. You join this bar by using scale and you shade here maximum temperature. By using pencil you shade neatly maximum temperature. Okay, next Delhi 38 degrees Celsius. Here this is the 10, 20, 30, 35, 6, 7, 8. This is the 38 degrees Celsius. This is the maximum temperature you mark by a pencil and minimum temperature 28 degrees Celsius. 10, 20, 25, 28 degrees Celsius. This is the minimum temperature you mark by pencil and you join by using scale these two bar. After that you shade here maximum temperature by pencil. You shade neatly maximum temperature. Okay, these are maximum temperature. Okay, dear friend, next city Jaipur 39 degrees Celsius. See 10, 20, 30, 35. We have to find it here 39. See, this is the 39 degrees Celsius maximum temperature. Next you see here minimum temperature 29 degrees Celsius. 10, 20, 30. This is the 29 degrees Celsius minimum temperature. Next you join these bar by using scale. You join these bar. Okay, and you shade here maximum temperature. Okay, this is the maximum temperature and minimum temperature. Next city Jammu 41 degrees Celsius. Now 10, 20, 30, 40. This is the 41 degrees Celsius you mark by pencil. Next 26 degrees Celsius minimum. 10, 20, 25, 26. You mark by pencil 26 neatly and you join by using the scale these bar. Okay, and you shade your maximum temperature. Okay, next Mumbai 32 degrees Celsius. Here 10, 20, 30, 32 degrees Celsius. Okay, this is 32 degrees Celsius you join here. Okay, next 27 degrees Celsius. 10, 20, 25, this is the 27 degrees Celsius. You mark here 27 degrees Celsius and you join by using scale. Okay, you join these by using scale and you shade maximum temperature. You shade by pencil maximum temperature. Okay, dear student, this is the bar graph. Okay, dear student, next we have to find out here larger difference in the minimum and maximum temperature on the given date. Okay, here we have bar graph. We have to find out here maximum, minimum and maximum temperature in the given date. See, in Ahmedabad, here maximum temperature 38 degrees Celsius, minimum is 29 degrees Celsius. This is not a largest difference. This is also not a largest difference. Dear student, you observe here in Jammu, this is very largest difference comparing to maximum and minimum temperature. Okay, now we can write here Jammu is the largest difference in minimum and maximum temperature. Now see solution. Jammu is the largest difference in the minimum and maximum temperature. Okay, dear student, next question is which is the hottest city and which is the coldest city? Okay, we have to find out here hottest city and coldest city. You observe this table and you observe here this bar graph, which is the very high temperature. Okay, see, we have to find out here hottest city. See, dear student, these are the maximum temperature. Okay, which is very high. So, see, this is first one is 38 degrees Celsius. Let's see another city also here, which is the below 38. This is the 39. Okay, this is the 41 degrees Celsius Jammu. So we can say 41 degrees Celsius is very hottest city in this data. Okay, next you write down here Jammu is the very hottest city. Next we have to find out here coldest city. You see minimum temperature. You observe here in blanks. Okay, see which is the very small height. See in this graph Bangalore minimum temperature is 21 degrees Celsius. This is very small in height. We can say Bangalore is very coldest city. Now you write down Bangalore is very coldest city in this data. Next, dear student, third question. Name two cities where maximum temperature of one was less than the minimum temperature of the other. Dear student, first you understand this question. Okay, maximum temperature of one was less than the minimum temperature of other. Okay, dear student, this third question you understand before finding the solution. Dear student, we have to find out here one of the maximum temperature comparing to minimum temperature is minimum temperature is very high. See here Ahmedabad, when we comparing maximum temperature, you see other temperatures also here. Maximum temperature when we comparing Ahmedabad, here minimum temperature is not bigger than maximum temperature of the Ahmedabad. See, all are very small height. Okay. Now, when we comparing another city, see here Bangalore and Jaipur. Bangalore maximum temperature is 28 degrees Celsius and Jaipur minimum temperature is 29 degrees Celsius. When we comparing Bangalore maximum temperature, Jaipur minimum temperature is very high. You see this data also here. Maximum temperature of Bangalore is 28 degrees Celsius and minimum temperature of Jaipur is 29 degrees Celsius. When we comparing these maximum and minimum temperature of these two cities. Here Jaipur city is 29 degrees Celsius. Now we can write here Bangalore and Jaipur is first city. Okay. Next, second city we have to find out here. See, Bangalore is 28 degrees Celsius. That is the maximum. Okay. Here Ahmedabad 29 degrees Celsius is minimum. When we comparing Bangalore and Ahmedabad minimum temperature, Ahmedabad minimum temperature is very high. Okay, now we can write here Bangalore and Ahmedabad. These are the minimum temperature is very high comparing to maximum temperature of Bangalore. Next, see last part of this question. Name the city which has the least difference between its minimum and the maximum temperature. Here we have to find out here very least difference. Okay, as first question we have solved here largest difference. Here we have to find out here least difference between its minimum and the maximum temperature. See this bar graph which is the very least temperature. Okay, this is very high, this is also very high. Okay, this is also very high, these all cities are very high. You see Mumbai city. Okay, this is very least difference between maximum temperature and minimum temperature. When we comparing minimum and maximum temperature, Mumbai city is very least difference. Now we can write here fourth one answer. Mumbai city is very least difference between its minimum and maximum temperature. This is the last part of the solution. Dear student, you observe this bar graph. You write down this solution in your notes.